Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. The fourth and last puzzle is a JigsawSudoku, a.k.a. Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Cipher Block. In Japanese, Suguru. In additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 4th, 2024. And I've already solved three puzzles: the 3 stars, the 4 stars puzzle. This one is quite interesting. This one. And the binary. So one puzzle is left. It's the Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, and this one will be number 9213. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. 13 printed digits. Could be a hard one, could be an easy one. But the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one has 13. It's indicated by the publisher with 4 stars. For 4 stars puzzle, we need 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always 1. Here single box, there single box, always a 1. Next question, do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and a 2. Well, here dual box 1 and a 2. Well, we have a 1 here, so this can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1 and this box should be a 2. Here also the 1 and a 2. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Next question, do we have here triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, this box can be 2. The 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box, the inside box, is always 4 or a 5. 4 or a 5. Well, it can be a 5. We have a 5 in the same area, so it should be a 4 then. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4. No quadra. Well, we have a quadra box here in an L shape. And when you see a quadra box in an L shape, remember that the inside box, this is the inside box, is always a 5. And other numbers could be everywhere. Right. Next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, the T shape. Let me draw the T shape here. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's the 1 or a 2. But we have a 2 here, so it can't be 2 anymore. This box should be a 1. It's connected with that box, should be so 1. 1 box left in this dual box for number 2. Okay. But also in the T shape, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. The T shape. Do we have more T shapes here? Yeah. Here, another T shape rotated. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Same for here. This box has the same number as that box, and that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's a 4 here, and that case, it's a 2 here. Alright. More T-shapes? No. Then the following shape, how about this kind of shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box, so this box has the same number as that box. Here we have another one. This box has the same number as that box. Yeah, that's all. Then the following shape, how about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 here. Alright. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. Then the following shape, how about this shape? This one. Let me draw the shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum 6, not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 of them that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. This box cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 5. We have the 5 in the same area. Cannot be a 3. Can be a 4. So one digit left should be the 2. Yeah, is connected with that box, should be so a 2. Okay, let me see. Let's go up. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be there. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box. So 3. Then these 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Supposed to be here. I think this box should be a 4 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3. Should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. Then let me see. Well, I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and 2 goes there. Then these 2 boxes can be 4. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So the 1 and 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 3 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. We have 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 3 goes there. I think this box should be a 1 because it can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this quadra L shape should be here. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this L shape quadra box should be the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4, we have 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 4 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area. It's supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and 1 goes there. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. This box is connected with that box should be so 1. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Is connected with that box should be so 3. I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. We have a so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. Those 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area. Supposed to be here. Then let me see. This box is connected with that box, so 3. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this T-shaped area. Supposed to be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then let me see. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Let me mark those. 2 and 4. Here also the same numbers in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those. Let me see. Come on. Well, in this area, we need a 2 and a 4. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2 and a 4. We have a double 2 there and a double 4 there. So 2 boxes left for the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and a 4, 2 and a 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Is connected with that box should be so 4. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 5. And 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 and 4. We have a 4 now, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 and 4, we have a 2 now, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. Well, that's a quick one for solving this 4-stars puzzle. No, it's not a 4. No, it's not a 3. No, it's not a 2. No, it's another 1. Should be a 0 stars. Because I'm faster than 13 minutes. Yeah. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so I can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll meet again tomorrow. So have a great and fantastic Wednesday. Until then, bye-bye for now.